all the sweat dripping down my eyes. I could feel the sting. Once I get to the car park and once I'm in the car, the sweat that comes out must be salt. All the unwanted minerals going out of my body. I will also look like a salt pan. Naturally, we are water bodies. That includes minerals, chemical factory, this life body, so as the Mother Earth. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, what more? Which direction should I head up now? There were two paths, but I should really stick to the path that I know. Plastic bottles, folks, everywhere. It's getting steep and steady way up. It's a gentle slant, slope at the same time. I mean, propping my hands like this all the way. Can you hear the vibration? Echoing